Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Quantum HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.hrportal.quantumcorphelp.in. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in the email ID of your account and hit the login button. After you are done filling in the credential which you had used before to get your account created, you will successfully get the access back to your account. However, if you are finding any kind of difficulties, then you can even tap on the different numbers that have been given for assistance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.